Dr. K.P. Ravindranath from Kannur, that is in Kerala state. Really, I am a professor and doing some other activities. 3 years back, I understood the value of the board setting course, and Master influenced me. Master means Mr. SANOJ a lot. So I continuously watched his videos. It helped me to attend this class. I tried a lot, but in the beginning I couldn't come. But recently I attended around 2 days at Trichur. It was really a fantastic moment which I understood, and this class is very colorful. 8 years back, I understood about board setting activities from a Navy officer. He belongs to Pathanamthitta district. Now he is in RIG. He is working as an engineer in RIG. So I came again in this class. So I understood that it is the most wonderful and valuable class. The energy of Dr. SANOJ is very fantastic, which provide us what I say, colorful energy, what we achieve from sun, like that. It has a mesmeric power. It is very enthusiastic. Deliberately, I am telling you one thing, that he has the blessing of God. His soul is quite pure and valuable. Then after, really I understood about this course. I got to a man that I followed that man's activity, and he is from Hyderabad. He influenced me a lot. He is an innocent man. His name is Mr. Vamshi. What I say, it is a fantastic terms which I understood from that man. And I say you one thing, that then another man is Mr. Suresh Vaidya, belongs to Trivandrum. He achieved a lot by medically and KALARI system. One day I talked with him about something about this practice. He explained very widely about Saint Augustine. It was a fantastic concept. It's really, what I said, valuable. Then another man with this team is Sadish. He is very, very active, always smiling. Say, I definitely tell about one man's name. He is also from Hyderabad. He was the first master in the class. His name I forgot, but he's a B.Tech holder and he studied so much. I think he's a disciple of Baba Ramdev, and it was also fantastic. Then I would like to talk about 2 other guys from Ernakulam, one beard man and one short man. Both they also talked about the quality of this course. Overall, I understood that really this is a fantastic course. I have gone and studied many courses, but this is a turning point. If we get correct idea about this course, definitely we can use all the techniques in our life, our family members' life. So our energy level and our body mechanism will be quite different. I mean, metabolic system will be improved a lot by doing this in a prompt manner. So my special thanks to our Master SANOJ and his Master Kannadi Gurukul. Very memorable man. So totally I tell Mr. SANOJ will create a peculiar world in the field of board setting. I know he will be internationally famous as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.